If your idea of comfort food is a sad, dry piece of toast, please look away, because today we are making stuffed chicken garlic butter buns. So soft, fluffy, and ridiculously rich, they will make you question every life choice that led you to a diet. Let's get straight into it. First, we are bringing out the big guns, the stand mixer. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of lukewarm milk. That's exactly 300 ml for my precision lovers. To that, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a gentle swirl to wake everything up. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Mix it up, walk away, and let it rest for 5 minutes. This gives the yeast a moment to realize it actually has a job to do today. After 5 minutes, we are adding 2 whole eggs. And please listen to me carefully, they must be at room temperature. If you forgot to take them out of the fridge, because let's face it, none of us planned that far ahead, just let them swim in a bowl of warm water for 10 minutes. Now dump in 550 grams of all-purpose flour, along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it just until it starts to realize it's supposed to become a dough. Attach the kneading hook, because we are letting the machine to do the heavy lifting today. Our hands deserve a break. Let it knead for a minute or two and then pour in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Let it run for another 3 to 4 minutes. The second it transforms into a soft, smooth, beautiful dough, stop. No need to overwork it. Brush a clean bowl with a little oil. Drop the dough inside and give the top a gentle brush too. Cover it tightly with cling film. Now here's my favorite trick for a lightning fast proof. Turn your empty microwave on for 3 minutes. Let it get nice and warm inside. Then slide your covered dough in. Close the door and do not touch it for a straight hour. While our dough is living its best life in the microwave, let's get started on the glorious filling. Grab a bowl and drop in 180 grams of cream cheese. Give it a quick whip until it's silky smooth. Then invite 170 grams of mayonnaise to the party. Mix them together until they are completely inseparable. Next, add 500 grams of boiled and shredded chicken. Keep it simple when boiling. Just a touch of salt and a little garlic paste is all it needs. Now for the fun part, 180 grams of peri-peri sauce. If you don't have peri-peri, use buffalo, sriracha, or whatever hot sauce speaks to your soul. We are completely skipping extra salt here because the cheese, the mayo, and the chicken already brought plenty to the table. Trust the process. To make this impossibly gooey, fold in 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, because let's be honest, there's no such thing as too much cheese. Finish it off with a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander for a pop of color. Give it all a massive mix. This filling is incredibly versatile. You can throw in whatever vegetables you like or just leave it beautifully meaty. Your kitchen, your rules. While that sits, let's prep the ultimate final touch. Garlic butter. Mix 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and a teaspoon of chopped coriander. Set that liquid aside. Time to check on our dough. Look at this. It's beautifully doubled, soft, and completely full of air. Shift it over to your work surface and divide it into equal parts. Large buns, small buns, do whatever makes your heart happy. Shape them into neat little rounds and let them rest for 10 minutes. And please cover them with cling film. If you leave them naked, they will dry out, and we didn't come this far to fail now. After 10 minutes, take a ball, roll it out slightly, and drop a generous tablespoon and a half of that creamy chicken filling right in the center. Carefully gather the corners up, pinch them tightly so nothing leaks. Roll it back into a perfect bun. Once they are all stuffed, let them rest on a tray for final 20 minutes to puff back up. This patience pays off, I promise. Give them a beautiful coat of egg wash for that ultimate bakery style shine. And then add a light sprinkle of sesame and Nigella seeds over the top. Then slide them into your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until they are golden brown. And look at that. Golden, shiny perfection. While they are piping hot, generously brush them with our prepared garlic butter. It smells absolutely insane right now. They are soft, pillowy, and satisfying. These will easily make you the absolute winner of your next family dawat. Just look at how beautifully creamy and cheesy that center is. Give this foolproof recipe a try, enjoy it with your family, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Take care and happy baking.